Yo, what is up, guys? It's Nick here with some raw day trading, and today's raw. I'm sitting here down $818 after fees, $775 before fees, and it was a just not a necessary loss. I was trying aggressively and quickly on UAVS. We're going to take a look at that. I did take a dip late into the day with size in a sort of dry area, and I got slippage on the exit. On LRHC, I was trading, trying to recoup profits, and just ended up giving back more. And it was around a significant area. Kind of just like perusing what's if anything's still moving. Because I am wanting to trade more, but there's nothing really moving. I don't think there's any justification for risking any more money today. That was only cushioned by the fact I made $900 yesterday pretty easily. And then 560. So I'm up about 500 on the week. Disappointing after being up 1,300. But if you count what I gave back Monday, probably more closer to, 2,000. Because I was up around 8, 9 as well on Monday and gave it back. But it just seems to be that that I've been making some errors on judgment, because I know I could have avoided some of these. Some were not avoidable, some were, and let's get into what I could have done better. Again, day trading is risky. This is not for the faint of heart, not for people trying to make money. Most traders lose money, and today is a great example of how I lose money. I lose their money. And let's fucking get into it, because I am twisted. Alright, this is just the dumbest stuff that I'm watching. TVGN, I bet you it has a nice rod up here to the 200 day. Nice extension bar from under here in this dry area, but I don't want to participate. PHUN might actually end up going, but right now it looks like medium to low likelihood. LRHC is trending downwards at the moment. It's in the last hour. We're already, almost halfway into it. I'm not seeing anything that's moving. Nothing on the scanners is really popping up. UAVS was the last greatest best hope, I think. And I can actually show what happened here, and we'll get into some video afterwards. But yeah, UAVS here. Oh, look at that. It's playing like it wants to come, but I doubt it. I'll put an alarm. I'll move my alarm to right here. Anyways, no, I want my alarm at 3. I'm not touching this thing unless it's above 3, and even then, 330 is probably where I would touch it. The short percentage on it, the borrow rate is really high right now. So the availability of shares is really low, which means it might be able to run. Today was just silly. I did not trade it. Oh, that's ugly. I did not trade it on this front side momentum. I waited patiently for it to dip, and then I traded it around 3. I chopped myself up around here. It was just going up and down, up and down, up and down. And then I think I cooled off as it established itself under 3, and I tried one more time somewhere around here, and it put me down $800. Then I kind of made a little bit back on some of this uptickage here, and I had positions down here, I stopped out, I had positions here, I stopped out, then it goes higher, and it's just the age old um, stock trading thing where you're you have kind of the right idea, but unless you want to hold down, $1,000, then you don't want to. And with the risk of it being more and not knowing when it's going to reverse, you don't want to hold it. And so this was the last time it kind of looked promising, but I kept making the mistakes of buying the highs here. It was in the fast time frame, and I was just like, trying to capture this because this thing seemed so whippy, and I thought it was going to wick up all the way up to here, but it had then established itself. I mean, it was under the 20. Oh, fuck. If that is the lesson that I have to learn again. My friends are silly. That'll be painful because it's a lesson I've learned many times, and I think I come into it thinking that because it's midday, because it's a super volatile stock, it's an exception, but it was breaking breaking a significant line here. Okay. All right. Let's watch some video because I got a couple highlights I got to get through, and we'll just get to it, right? Okay. Oh, wow. Can dip city here. I gotta back away from trading at the moment because my heart is palpitating. I'm actually trying to have a little bit of a better attitude about it as the size I use gets bigger and the swings get bigger. That's that's the best I can do. I'm down 2%. SPY's down 1%. 1.3 right now. Whatever. Ooh, I'm really actually just flat for the week. Only up $500. It's 0.5% on my account. Whatever. Breathe. Now let's look at video. At video. Okay, so it started off early. I started the video early. Vrax was pushing up into the morning time. I wasn't going to trade this. I backed off, and I was just like, I got to go do other stuff right now. It's too early. I'm not going to trade this, but I put my camera on just to record it. That's not what we're going to look at. We're going to look at the open. LRHC ends up being on the level 2 chart on the top left here. And I get something funny happens with Thinkorswim. I think the stock was open, but I'm actually not sure if the stock was open. That's a good point. I did not check that, but I think it was. I think I just got slip and my order just chugged up the bid. Stock was open. All levels are established. Pops up high. And this is all within the first minute. It happens really quickly. Got my finger on the buy button. 3,000 shares queued up. I'm looking at it. I'm not sure. These sub-dollar stocks have been making moves recently. Vrax, I don't expect to do anything. I'm looking for a pop and a fail on that just because that's what all these names have been doing. TVGN, I'm thinking maybe it was a runner the other day. But yeah, okay. So it's about to dip here, and it looks like there's significant orders going through. Look at that. I mean, there's plenty of volume, plenty of liquidity. It dries out for a second, but there still should be plenty of liquidity at that level. and I hit the buy button right there. There's an order working, and it just like slowly pushes the bid up, and then I get filled, and then someone puts a sell order there, and I'm like, ah, shit. And then I hold it. I should have just cut it right here. I'm just letting it do its work, letting it figure out what it wants to do, and then I finally cut it right there. Got filled at 81, so that was a nice $150 loss just immediately. And I was scared to take another position on market orders. So I think what I do, actually I might take another market order, I'm not sure. But I take one more trade on this at this point. Man, this is raw. I just feel the emotions in my throat right now. Ugh. So pissed about it. Not this stock, just everything. Just that I'm down $800. Stupid. But then it starts popping up and goes way higher, and I'm like, Trying to adapt to the name. Yeah, you guys are going to have to learn how to read level 2. So I guess this is good practice. Or you can watch TVGN while we go through this. But I'm sitting here waiting for it to clear out. It needs to clear some buyers out first before it goes, I think. Where is this next trade? I can't spin so okay, there we go. So this time I was using the bid. Dips briefly. I jump in. Clack. Fills me. Immediately I'm green. And then I'm back to flat. It chops around one more time, chops down, and then halts up again. Yeah, and I'm not super good at halty stuff, so I actually stayed away from it. But it was the stock that was moving. It was taking the attention. And my first big mistake was not trading it, continuing to trade it after I broke $1. For whatever reason, I kind of wussed out, to say it lightly. I was a little off, I thought I would be on and like firing on all cylinders. For some reason, I was not today. VRAX, I get a nice little trade here somewhere, but I only make $100 on it. A couple trades actually, but it was tight. It was going down. It was below 20. It's like after a day happens that is big negative, all the negative starts to settle in after you stop trading. And that's what's happening to me right now. So forgive me. I'm trying to work through it. I'll do the best I can. Maybe joke about it a little bit. Something about today, though. It looked like it was strong, signaling strong, but the action felt very thin. The gappers, Brax was only up 80%. And then I was thinking everything would fail, and then attention would turn to fun, which did not happen. PHUN. PHUN gapped up overnight amid Trump strength, and then BIVI caught a bid as well, but it had an offering yesterday, so I didn't touch it. SGMO looking for a double top on the daily, but it had no volume on it, and really high flow. This is LRHC, again, halting up. I didn't trade it throughout here, probably should have. This would have been a good entry. This might have been a good entry. Yeah. Leveling with my mistakes. In a world where you have to learn to manage your emotions very well, like a psycho. Okay. So the slip fill was no bueno. Says I got slip fills twice. Chasing phantoms and avoiding movers because of the volatility was a mistake. I let that slip stop me from playing it. That slippage. I was too timid with it after that. I should have been more abusive of the stock. Instead, it ended up abusing me later in the day. I generally like to be on the giving side of that, not the receiving side. I also have a note here. It says I had the chance to cut at the highs of the fill because I held, I lost money. Next time I cut, if I get that much slip, especially if the bid props up there. Okay, so 10:30, the exchange on TVGN. We're going to skip ahead here. This ends up going whatever. And then I end up playing this here. All right. So this is the 200 day. Right now I'm up 120. In this point in the video, I'm up $120 on the day. And let's see what happened with here. I put a note to check it out in my notes at this timestamp. LRHC, I am playing do-si-do with a small share size and making little bits of money. Because it's at the 200 day, I don't trust it. Although later in the day, I trust it with my life. No, it's not true. All right, I'm going to work through this, baby. What we got? Show me my first trade here. There we go. Okay. So now it's peaking up. I think it's going to rocket up to 3. I'm like, where do I get it? What happens here? So it starts creeping lower. I get in. I'm actually green for a second here, but it never really sticks, and then I have to cut it. But then it rockets back up. I jump in again at the same level. Okay. Reminder. Jumping. Do not jump. I actually did this all day today, and this was the cause of all of my losses, basically. Do not jump in at same level over back to back. So I jump in, market moves against me immediately again. And I think I'm able to cut this one maybe for closer to break even, but it was still a dangerous shot. I made not, whoa, and then I buy there again. That one was actually a winner, but just a silly way to trade. Silly, stupid way to trade. I was a little too jumpy. Slow down. Reminder. Slow down. I'm going to trade more like myself. All right, so that was like 4 trades back to back to back. Not super helpful. Put me back down to break even on the day. And it ends up going anyways. And I end up not taking it. Well, it doesn't go right there. Doesn't go right there. Doesn't go right there. Doesn't go right there. I end up losing there. What happened here? Let's see. Oh, so I take the break below the level, and then I buy high for some reason, looking for the reversal. Oh, I don't take the break below the level. I take the bounce back, buy high, and then I get filled high, and I'm like, this is no good. Oh, I can make a little bit of money on that. All right, all right. Oh, man. What do I need to do tomorrow differently? Probably not trade TVGN. Dumb stock. And this kind of keeps creeping lower. What happens here? What happens to where I make a mistake? What is the mistake and how does it made? Why is it made? The 5 minute is a total reversing candle now. It's not going. Probably should wait for this 5 minute candle to close, which I think I do. Where's the mistake? I want to know. I'm just going to become stressed. I am going to stress myself out over this till I find a mistake. I'm not going to feel good. I'm just teasing. I'm trying to feel good, so I'm joking about it. I've had a lot of coffee too today. That has not helped. Not super a lot of benefit from doing that. Okay, so I actually don't know where that last trade. For some reason, I thought I was down $100 there for a second. Okay. Oh boy, look at that. Yeah, TVGN. I think that was the day on it. Is it? Was it? It looks like it. No, yeah, it looks like it. That was it. It curls back up later in the day, but and then LRHC. I think I do some garbage there. PHUN. I keep looking. I don't take anything. SGMO looking, not taking anything. And then UAVS. This guy starts running, and I see it. I see it. I see it. It has 2 million shares of volume. It's now 9:30, 10:30. So it's an hour and a half into the day. It only has 2 million shares of volume. Most of the volume is in that last candle. I can handle this. Okay. Just trying to stuff the emotions down so I can make this video and then go punch a pillow or something later. Like a big angry man. Okay, so UAVS. Weird kind of daily chart, super volatile, really high borrow percentage. I think I went over that earlier. And then it starts going here, and I think we can watch the front side of the move because I'm going to try to see if I can mock capitalize on what's going on here. So I would let this close here because that looks like a reversal candle, and then maybe if it ticks down, buy. Ooh, be sketchy. There we go. Now go higher, go higher, go higher. There it is. Then I'd be cutting right there. Okay. Interesting. Now I'm queued up to buy here, although it's probably the wrong move. I already kind of made a high. Yeah, it looks like it's being contained right now. Short sellers are stepping in. Cut it. Yeah, it'd be a small loss. Buy back. But now, still sketchy, but the kind of it's showing a little bit of strength here. And if you're short right there and it doesn't die right here, it does stuff like that, then ooh, cutting right there. Yeah. Okay. Bye. Cut. Maybe a little loss. Buy. I don't like it. Cut. You. A little bit bigger of a loss. Only a couple pennies though. And then it starts evaporating a little bit. Sellers start stepping out. Oh, stepping in the way now. Buy. Sell. Buy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Minute like 73, 74. Ooh. Aye, aye, aye. Should I hold? Does that 74 get reversed? I better. Alright, I'll hold as long as it holds 74 here. Once it starts signaling it's going to break, then I got to get out. Which it probably will, especially after this. Whoa, there's a bidder. Okay, holding now for 3. Will it break 75? Oh boy. Take half out there. And then hold on to the other half for break above. I'll cut the rest right there. All right. Still in the uptrend. Sketchy now though. See it below 90. See what it does. Buy. Ooh, sell. Buy back. Ooh, sell. Fuck. So I just gave back all of the profit that I would have made from there. Man, these are why I don't trade these. This is why I don't trade these, because I don't get it yet. Okay, so now it's made a new low. It's hovering around 75. I could buy back here. I don't know why. Why would I buy back there? I wouldn't buy back there. Sell, so it would be flat. Where's this thing? Okay. Buy. Okay. Gonna break? Ooh. That's nasty. Still holding though. I don't want it to break. Oh, there we go. Thing's still flat. Haven't sold though. It's holding-ish. Let's see. Can I hold? Can I hold? Can I hold? Sell. So it would be flat again. Buy again. Sell. Fucking trying to break the level. It's not a good thing to do. Buy. Man, I'm chopped out in practice now. Sell. Buy. Sell. Damn, a guy needs to just not do that. Buy. Ooh. So I'm gonna maybe at 05. There we go. Okay. Can I break that? That was a pretty crazy move. It was also a sketchy buy. I think I would have only bought that if I knew that it was going to go like I do know now. Okay, so. I fucking suck at this game right now. Bye. So. Bye. So. Maybe flat. Bye. I get filled high, of course, because the ask evaporates. Slow to cut. Still holding, looking for the. But I absorbed that big seller, big buyer. My heart. Is stressed. There we go. You stupid stock. Go. 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 Sell. Break even. Alright. I'm going to go to the bathroom in 2 seconds. Just playing everything wrong today. Today. Bye. Okay. Holding now. Holding. This could go very badly. Very badly. Not looking good, is it? Oh, I gotta stop. Sell right there. Big 15-cent loss. Damn. I mean, it's not damn. I knew that. I could see it. All right. So I think that would be the end right there of the move, right? No, not right. Okay, so it's still going. Oh, now it's just in consolidation. Now, how do I play this? 5 minutes about to close. 10 minutes about to close. That's not a good look for a candle, is it? I'm not going to buy it here. Yep. Okay. So, yeah. All right. It's part one. So I do a couple bid. I put a couple bids out. What do I do here? Oh, I buy this? That's a silly place to buy. So now this is where I actually buy. What happens here? Wow, immediately it's below my entry, and I have to cut. And on top of that, I get another slippage, and I buy back in immediately. What the? Ooh, that's a low light. What? What? I think my computer's pissed off about it too because it's not even functioning right. What is going on? Is there something moving here? KWE? Oh god, there's actually a stock moving. Something else I can lose money on. Yeah. Oh, and I feel stupid for missing this. When did this go? I feel so dumb. I saw this on the scanner, but I didn't think it was anything good. Oh, I think it was low volume. That's why. I think I saw it around 12:30. Yeah. Oh, so dumb today. Very negative at the moment. Very negative profit loss was. $700 is a good amount to be down, but $800. Excuse me. And then everything just likes coming at all at once. This can turn off. I don't need my charts anymore. I already know how much I'm down. I don't want to trade anymore. I'm so angry. So angry. All right, let's see if this is functioning out. All right, what happened? Let's do this one more time. What did I do here? Why did I buy? I saw the ask get bought up, but I don't buy it. I buy late after the pop. Sorry, I got it. I feel so stupid. I feel so dumb. I feel so stupid. I feel so dumb. Okay, what is this? 8. 825, 1131 to, let's go 40. Yeah, 1121 to 1140. Oh, just a stupid amount of mistakes. Very stupid amount of mistakes. Just feel so dumb. I'm just harping on myself now. Yeah. Very frustrated. Please excuse me. I'm so stressed out right now. Okay. More like just very, very disappointed in myself. All right. It comes from 3.5. What I'm really looking for here is the rocket back to 3.5, but it's tested 1, 2, 3 times. It's on the back. It looks like it's reversing now. It's making new lows, and my computer's still buffering. I don't know why. Let me restart this nonsense. It's 241. Okay. You seem like a punching bag, you know? Learn how to keep my hands up. All right. Okay. So at this point, I'm looking for kind of like a B, but just rip up higher, like a 5-minute rip higher right here. Like looking for this 5-minute candle to hold. I guess that's theoretically what it is. It's being super patient. I see some indication of buying there, and I buy in. It's on. It looks like it's holding support, and then sellers step in. A lot of sellers, and I just keep buying into it. Don't buy back into adjust into sellers. Adjust. Yes, that would have saved a lot of money. And then this, I'm like, ooh, it's kind of holding. And then I'm like, no, it's not holding. I'm going to cut it and jump back in. Because at all moments, I think it's going to reverse very quickly and swipe back to the highs. That's really what I'm thinking. God, I needed to slow down. Down $300. I'm like, oh, VWAP. But it already tested VWAP. Why was I doing the second VWAP test? It already tested VWAP twice. And then now it's jiggling around $3 above and below and above and below. And I'm green for a second. Do I take it off the table? I don't. I remember I don't. This is so hard to watch. I'm sure for you too. Sorry. So now I'm down 400. I get myself down to 4. I mean, was there anything good that I did? Honestly, I don't think so. I gotta take one more trade here, and it's not a winner. How could I have traded this better? Let's get my practice shoes out. Not trading. Yeah, that's how I could have traded that better. This one last one. Not making any sense. Oh, and the short. It was a short. Did you guys see that? It was a short pushing that shit. Oh, because it was SSR. I was looking for the slap back on the short, but no. Boom. 1 minute closes. Seller step in. I'm like, yeah, I want to take it too. And then I take it because it looks like it's holding, but it's not. That's a cut. That's the right place to cut. But to get back in, too much energy. I want to break shit. I want to fucking break everything right now. I wanted to rip my computer screen off my table and throw it on the ground. Take the computer, just crush it, break everything, start over tomorrow, and be like, why was I so stupid? But I didn't. I did not do that. Man, this stuff is hard. Anyways, here's a case study in how not to trade. Stressing myself out just watching this. I can't even think. It happened. We're just going to focus on this for now. It's just like back to back to back to back. Okay, this was a mistake to take right here. I can clearly. So first one was a mistake. First one was. It was like this. First mistake was taking. Buying up the short. Second mistake. Immediately buying back in at the same level. Third mistake. immediately buying back in at same candle and an uptick in a controlled low vol progression lower. Probably a hidden seller. Oh, so I kept providing liquidity to these short sellers. And I was kind of just furious I lost $200 after being up $200 and then being flat for a little bit. And it was kind of not real to me because I made $900 yesterday. And so it took me making a lot of mistakes and losing $800 today to calm the fuck down, apparently. And yeah. Well, shiver me timbers. Okay, fourth mistake. Actually, I don't know if that was a mistake. Fourth mistake. It is. Third view on bounce. Instead of waiting for the lows of this candle right here, below that candle. You need to go below that candle. So that was the first good trade I had where I was actually in the green. Right there. Right. So, give me a sec. Third VWAP bounce. Taking third VWAP bounce inside same candle. Oh, this is just like choking my life force because I want this. I want to make. Oh, if I figure this out, I can be good financially. And otherwise, I'm just grinding on really, really low numbers, like really low. Okay. Fourth mistake was taking the third VWAP bounce instead of the same candle inside the same candle instead of waiting for flush below the local lows. Needed to be here, not here. Nice little, I got a nice little drawing. Yeah, sorry. A little erratic. I'm trying to calm down. I'm calm. I'm calm. Mind control. I'm calm. Jocko Willemick. Calm. Anyways. That would have been a good trade right there. Wait a little bit too late on that, but it's still green for a little bit. Oh, and I buy back in again. Fifth mistake. Baking soda. Dumb money. Oh. What do I buy next? Sorry guys, this is really painful for me. I'm sure it's painfully for you to keep watching. Fifth mistake. Buying breakout of candle and downtrend. Buying bad volume dip after multiple losses and unsuccessful trades. Sixth mistake, letting my, no, this is zeroth mistake. Zeroth mistake was letting myself get out of hand. So one trade in there was okay out of 6 trades. Just want to break shit. Ooh, where do I lose the rest of this? Let's see. It looks like it's consolidating on top of the 10 line. Ah! I should take a timer. Nah. Oof. Sixth mistake. Buying mid-range. Where was the correct place to buy? Right where I stopped it. 7th mistake. Buying back mid-range after multiple losses. 7th mistake. 8th mistake. Buying back for breakout below multiple pivots. I'm going to star this one, circle it, because it's a big deal. It already had a chance here. It failed. It's now below that chance that failed, below a significant trend line. It failed. Should not have been trading there. I should have waited for it to get above that level. That's actually where I start making money finally. Just a little bit. All right, one last thing. I think it's the last one. Second to last one. Oh, I don't even think I got it on video. Fuck me. Oh, no, I got it on video. All right, so this is the other one. This is the... Oh, why am I down 600? Oh, yeah, because I took an L on UAVS again. Whatever. This spike right here, I don't think it shows it. Yeah, no. This spike right here, though, I took an L on that. Okay. But let's see this. Let's watch this. I'm gonna sit down before I break something. Oh. No. We're gonna watch again. Okay. Okay, take a dip there. That's actually okay. That was a good dip. I ended up stopping out. All right. The hot level right there, kind of sketchy. And then I buy back. For some reason, these buybacks have not been working. Well, because it's done, I guess. Let's see what happens before I come to any conclusions here. No, not green at all. Nobody's buying it. Yeah. Didn't really get slippage there. Just took an L. It was actually an okay L. The buybacks have not been working. Note. The buybacks in the same dip have not been working for me. Adjust now. Just for now. 1 buy per 1 dip. 1 buy per 1 dip. That's what I'm going to work on. All right, that's all I really wanted to see. Everything else is bullshit. 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 I can do it. 808. The amount I'm down. 808. Oh, I was up over 40 grand. Now my account is down to 39. Fuck you. Well, I guess that'll do it for the video today. Thank you for sitting through it and enjoying all the suffocating emotion. Wow. Very rough. Hope you learned something from it. Hope you can take away something. This is not investment advice, though. This is for entertainment purposes only. Day trading is risky, as you can tell. You can be right and wrong all at the same time. Be right, lose money. You can be wrong and lose money. Both will lose you money. Your timing needs to be impeccable. Life was much easier when I worked in a restaurant. But I guess that's not what I signed up for. I didn't go, wasn't being born and saying, I want an easy life. Let me have an easy life. I just want to do it. Anyways, you guys have a great freaking day. Many blessings to you. Yeah. Peace.